This is your 15-minute countdown. Your workout begins in 4, 3, 2, 1. Minute gone. Minutes gone.
And here we have it, the fully built Benatar based off the one in Avengers Endgame and Infinity War. And yeah, it's pretty good. I had a lot of fun building this. And it's great with all its smooth tiles and amazing features. Very well built, very well built by the designer. Now what you can do is you can either open the little patch up, and as you see, got a little rocket there and Star-Lord at the back. And or what you could also do is lift this up and you have access to the entire area, which I think is pretty cool. Now, what you could also do to get into the middle of the inside is pop open this little slab here and pop up that one. Now, what you have in here is a nice little area to explore. As you see there, we have good old Groot, and as you can see there, we have Mantis. Now, the inside's very good. You got, turn it for you. In here, there's a little bit, I don't know if you could see it or not, sorry if you can't, but there's a nice little curve to it, which I think is pretty cool. There's little features in here, like this black thing here. That is like a coffee maker or something. And then on the other side, right there, is a poster of Gamora, which is pretty cool. Now, the wings are very wide, have a real good wingspan. Very, very good. Here's my hand, and my hand is, you know, it's pretty decent. It is pretty wide. Now, these flaps on the side can move up and down as movie accurate as possible. And then these beautiful engine pieces on the back here. Very slick, very well detailed. And these can move open and closed, as well as the ones on the sides. Now these were actually used to be like brakes or something to slow it down, and for the movie people to make it seem like it was slowing down, which is really cool. And even in the middle here is just an amazing detail on the side as well, and it's just an amazing thing. Even the detail on the bottom and on the sides there, it's just magnificent. And also come with a stand. What we can do is, if we position it properly, we can sit it on the stand like so. And now you have a full 360 rotation of the Lego Benatar. Amazing. So it sits on like this, and it can twist and turn. Now the minifigs for this amazing build are Mantis with a custom hairpiece that has her antennas, with a nice detailed chest plate body. Then we have a Shatari warrior with a Shatari gun. We then have a very detailed Thor from the end of Avengers Endgame with his long hair. Then we have Rocket with the little legs and a very detailed gun and a very detailed chest piece. And he's also brown, unlike the other sets he's in where he's grey. Now we have a very detailed Groot. Now, it's just amazing how detailed this Groot is. And we also have a Star-Lord with some black boots and 2 blasters. He also has a little swirl on his hairpiece. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video and this amazing time lapse of this build. Catch you later.